or reverse them other
Oh,
direction.
wait!
What?
Wait!
What?
What? Wait. Wait. No!
No.
The track's not pointing that way.
Why not?
Pointing different way.
How about I go this way and you go the other way?
I don't want there to be wait.
What? What don't you want there to be?
Crash.
A crash. So what if we both do it the other way?
So, this way,
Mm-hmm.
there won't be. Can you move trains fast?
Fast or slow?
Fast?
Fast.
Oh, there's a train.
That's okay. How about we move this train forward into the other train? You go first, okay?
Oh, wait.
Uh-huh.
Ah!
Send it back the other way.